Hi, and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for clicking into this video. So in this video, I am going to show you 7 character AI tips and tricks. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first tip that I'm going to show you or teach you is the tip number 7, which is if you're having loop of replies in your character AI. So what you can do is you can delete the previous replies or even the conversation and send a message to the bot again to refresh the conversation. So what will happen is that deleting the replies or even deleting the chat will refresh or delete the bot's memory, and then this will allow you to create a conversation again with the AI or the chatbot and refresh the conversation that you have. So you can go ahead and select that and remove the conversation, or you can even go to your chats and then just click onto the edit button and click this X button that is available beside your conversation with the chatbot to be able to delete the entire conversation. And then tip number 6 is you can actually set the character AI into a dark mode. So if you want to do that, or if you want to use character AI during the night and you want to use it while it is or on a dark mode, so what you can do is to click into your profile. So here, this right here on the upper right corner of your screen, and then click onto this mm, pen or pencil icon is available on the upper right corner of your screen. And then on this part that says dark mode, so you can just simply turn or toggle that on. So just simply doing that, and then now you have set your character AI into a dark mode. So you can just go ahead and do that and then click on to the update to apply the changes. And then next, tip number 5 is you can create a character that will provide you writing assistance. So just click onto the create button right here and then create a character. So you can go ahead and name that character writing assistant if you want to. And just make sure that um the description that you have here on that character is really specific and descriptive for the AI or the character to be able to assist you properly. And just make sure that while you are using the character or that writing assistant, just remember that you can or you should use it with awareness that it is an AI, and just need to add your human touch to it if you're creating a project. So just just choose a name, description, and the personality of the character in here. And next is next tip is now tip number 4. So you can have voice message here on the chat AI. So I'm going to click into a conversation here. So you will cancel. So if you want to create a message right here, so you should be able to see a mic icon that's available on your screen. So since that feature is not available in mine, so I cannot see that microphone, but usually it is available for the users to use here on the character AI. So if you can see the microphone icon in your screen, that is how, just click onto that and then you'll be able to send voice message in the character AI. And then tip number 3, you can create image creation abilities. So you can do that. You can create from animals to landscapes if you want to. So I'm going to create a prompt, a conversation here. So create an image of a dog on a mountain. It for a few seconds. So as you can see here, the image is still downloading or generating. So right here, if you have monster, uh, the image that will be generated depends upon the simulator or the chatbot that you choose. Since I chose the RPG simulator, so this is the image that it generated. So you just go ahead and click this image generating button right here, and then just select whatever chatbot that you want to use. And then next tip number two is you can delete the messages or chats in your character AI. So if you have various chats that you want to delete here on your character AI, so you can just simply delete them by going into your chats, and then after that just click onto this edit button right here, and then you'll be able to see this X button next to that conversation. So you can go ahead and click the X, and then the conversation has been now deleted. So, and then next, what you can do is you can actually create AI generated images for your profile photo. So if you want to have a photo here on your character or in your profile picture in the character AI, and you want to generate a character here, so click on to this section right here, so this pen icon, and then you can go ahead and click this create image. So after creating that image, just clearly describe your desired image right here, and after that you can click onto the create button, and after a few seconds it will generate you an image, and then after that you can go ahead and click on to set avatar, and then again just click onto the update button for the changes to apply in your account. So that's it for this video, and I hope this helped you, and if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit notification bell buttons so you won't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.